So here we're showing the circuit diagram for staggering two different IR sensor to measure 0 to 150 centimeter. So this is sensor 1, this is sensor 2. Each of these sensor has three different wire. The first one goes to positive, the second one to ground, and the third one for the signal. And we have this Arduino and two board, one board for wire connection to each of the sensor, and we have the Arduino, which is the central component. So starting from the Arduino, we have this red wire that's connected to 5 volt, and that goes all the way to this board, and this is positive. And then on the ground pin, we have this black wire that connects to the breadboard, this pin, this row, sorry. And this also connects to the other breadboard through this wire, to this orange wire, positive to positive and negative to negative, so that both breadboard gets the power from the Arduino. Next, we explain the connection that starts from the sensor. So the positive wire, the red one, goes to the positive, the negative goes to the ground, that's pretty simple, and then the third one, which is going for the signal, for reading the analog signal, this is going to this point where there is a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor in series with that, and with the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor there is a 1 microfarad capacitor in series. So one leg, the right leg of the capacitor, is on the same point with the resistor because this is in series, and the other leg of the resistor is connected to this point where we have this yellow wire going back to the ground. And there is another wire, this green wire, that is connected to the same point where the resistor and the capacitor is connected. This is the same point. And from this point, this goes to our Arduino to pin A1. This works pretty similarly for sensor 1, where we have three wire. The first one goes to the first one is the yellow one, which goes to the positive on breadboard 2. The second one goes to the ground, and the third one, again the similar way, it goes to this point where there is a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor connected in series, and on the same point there is a 1 microfarad capacitor in series, and that's connected back to the ground. And the point where the resistor and the capacitor is connected in series, from that point we have this wire going back to the Arduino point A2. So that's our circuit diagram, connection for this project.